Diana, are you eating your toes? You eating your toes? Yeah. Did you find your new favorite chew toy? Yeah? I bet those toes taste so yummy. I bet they taste so yummy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, get that foot in there. What do you think Grandma's gonna say about this? What do you think Grandma's gonna say? Huh? What do you think Grandma's gonna say about you putting your toes in your mouth? Oh, yucky. Diana. It's a good thing those toes are clean. It is. It's a good thing. It's a good thing Mommy washed those toes. Yeah. Oh, time for some more. Oh. Why don't you chew on your thumb? Or your fingers instead of your toes? Mommy and Daddy bought you toys, but you don't like your toys. It's more fun to chew on your toes, huh? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, what are you doing? Okay, that's enough. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. No more toes. Bye-bye.